Hey everyone, welcome to Toni on Real Estate Education. First, I would like to say very quickly that I am a state certified real estate teacher going on 9 years now. I teach the 77-hour real estate salesperson's course that is needed to get your real estate salesperson's license. I teach the entire course. We have day and night classes running all of the time. If you are interested in taking my course or purchasing my ebook, my information is in the About section under all of my videos. If you are interested in getting your real estate salesperson's license, I will most definitely put you on the fast track of achieving your goal. Today, we will be taking a peek into the world of mortgages. We will explore the differences between mortgage brokers and mortgage bankers. Let's begin with a mortgage broker. First, we want to remember for the real estate exams that a mortgage broker is registered by the New York State Banking Department. Registered being the key word. I like to think of mortgage brokers as matchmakers. Mortgage brokers do their best to match up the loan that suits the borrower the best. They look through various lenders to find the perfect loan for a particular borrower. We should underline the word various. You see, mortgage brokers don't actually lend money themselves. They work with a variety of lenders like mortgage companies, credit unions, and banks. They search high and low to match up a borrower with the perfect loan. Mortgage brokers are the epitome of professional educated shoppers. They scour the market, leaving no rock unturned, to find the loan with the best rates, terms, and options to best fit the needs of the borrower. In essence, the mortgage broker does all the legwork for the borrower. Now let's talk about the mortgage banker. First, we want to remember for the real estate exams that a mortgage banker is licensed with the New York State Banking Department, licensed being the key word. Mortgage bankers originate loans, meaning they lend their own money to the borrower. Borrowers get their loan straight from the source. There is no middleman acting as a matchmaker. What you see is what you get. There is no shopping around. The mortgage banker handles everything, from taking the application to funding the loan. Everything is in-house. In summary, mortgage brokers help you shop around for best deals and rates, while mortgage bankers originate loans directly from their own institutions. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please hit that like button and subscribe. It's free.